go ahead and get started. I'm going to do a halo eye, and I'm going to start with the color Inquisitive, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. There is some fallout from this. Right here I got some fallout, but that's okay. Don't have to worry about here in the middle. That's going to be a different color, but I want to get it on the inside and the outside. And with that one dip, I did basically the whole eye. So that's good color. Blends nicely with just that one dip in there. Now I'm going to go into Generous and blend out the edge a little bit. On the brow bone, I'm going to go in with Unique. This yellow is more muted, so it blends out that really nicely. Go back in with a little more Inquisitive. Darken it up just a little bit. And then blend out the edge. Center, I'm going to go in with Citrine. Go in with Dynamic, and I'm going to use that on the edges of the halo. So I'm going to go in on the edge here of the halo with this color, and on this side around the halo, the edges of it. And then go in with a little bit more of Inquisitive and blend out the edge. And add a little bit more of Citrine to bring that out more. You can use your finger if you want, but this one goes on really nice with the brush. I'm going back in and blending. You want it to be really cohesive. Okay, so now in the center, I'm going to put the glitter, and I'm going to take some glitter glue on a little bitty brush. And I'm just going to dab it over Citrine. Dab it. I'm going to go into Brilliant and add that over Citrine. A little bit on here. You see the different colors with that green and gold in it. And I'm just going to dab. Dab the glitter just in the center. I'm going to go in with this Bodyography pencil. I don't know if you can read that. The Bodyography eye pencil in Black Walnut. I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. And I'm going to blend that out with Inquisitive. I'm going to go in with Determined in the inner corner. So this is the look using the BH Cosmetics Citrine palette for the month of November. It's a real easy look halo with a little bit of glitter. I did use every color in the palette. Used every color in here. They were beautiful as always. I've not been disappointed with the Birthstone palettes at all this year. The Zodiac ones last year were a little hit and miss, but these, I have every one, so I'm waiting on December because that's turquoise. I love turquoise, so I'm excited to see what that's gonna be. But if you got this palette, let me know and your thoughts. But it was a really nice eye, nice Thanksgiving dinner eye. The lip that I'm using today is the Estate lip gloss and the Dose of Colors liner with the collab with Netural. And it's just a nice simple nude lip. It goes great with this eye, and you can see that glitter on there. It looks more green on camera. But the two, I wanted to compare this palette to this, which is the Aha Honey from ColourPop, because when I saw the outside of this, it reminded me of the ColourPop. This one has more deeper shades in it, so you can do, have more depth. This one does not have that. This is the deepest color, and on me, it's not deep enough. So I have to add, color to it. But some of these colors are very similar. I did put them on my Instagram, so please check that out. That is linked below. So you can see some of the colors in the Aha Honey, and some in here were very, very similar, but then there's some that are, of course, totally different. But if you have this one, you might not need this one, because you can always add a darker brown, which is what I have to do when I use this. I have to add a darker brown to add depth to this, but otherwise it's a nice palette. You may not need this, but if you want a palette that has these colors that also has some depth, this would be your best bet. So I love this palette. The look came out nice. I will do more tutorials, of course, more talking tutorials to tell you what I'm doing, but I have done some tutorials using the other Birthstone palettes, so please check those out. I will also link them below if you'd like to see them. But this is what we have for today. Very simple, neutral look. And I thank you so much for watching, hanging out with me today. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. What my face makeup is, I'm going to be sharing a video on that soon, because it is using all of my panning products. I'm using panning products that I'm using for the month of November. So I'll do a base makeup look using those products coming soon. So appreciate you all. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a great day.